TikTok. Hey, TikTok, the rampant me in TikTok. Now, big, you know, they play with I. Oh, me afford to forget this. Yeah? Guys, tell me no more. More start over life. You know, trust this. Only thing, start it over. No, oh, it gone. Look like it gone. Oh, look like that. Come like they never unsure. TikTok never unsure, so them take. No, it did it. Your life contains things that some may find uncomfortable and has been restricted. Reason alcohol, tobacco, alcohol. This was on January the 17th. So them are the block my life until guys, the last time that happened, I turn on my life, I could go back live. So look like I can't go come off yesterday. Restart it up. View. Yeah? If I get paid for them thing and I discover place and I show the world, you know. Yeah, no ramp with me, you know. You feel like me a fool? Yeah? Hold on, how floor is this? Oh, right. This me I discover. Hold on there. So somebody not tell me say me I left my bag of river, everybody got left me. I have to go back way around so. Oh, what you know say? You see it? God good, you know, like God say. Give them a next view. That father show me saying I show them my last view. Yo, I feel I get paid. Only cheap me so. Look how much I go left my back down here. Look how I put my back, guys. In a bush. Yeah, know I'm a real Jamaican, you know, man. Guys, and the beg on something on deal with this so bad. You're gonna have money gun, man. It's just not high. They're gonna have money gun, man. Yes. That's so nice, man. That's so nice. Thank you, Mila. Thank you, Mila. So nice. See there, guys. Chuck to the river. Chuck to the river. Chuck to the river. Give me a clue. I will drive. Are you? Are you put yourself? Yeah. Man. Give me a light. Give me a light. Guys, enjoy yourself, you're freaking out. Like, even though we never really see along. Yeah. And you know, yeah, give thanks to life, you know, man. Life is greatest, you know. You see me, I say, enjoy your life. Make sure you say, yo. You see me, I say, yeah. I you know, busting up for you, you know.
You're not go far, man, but no.
Jagger.
Your phone dead.
That's who it is.
Hey, Alex, hey.
Yeah, Ziggy that, you know.
You're not go far.
One Alex, you know, man. Girl, them are dead. Watch your man. Them not stop faint. Yeah, man, the eyelash bad. Guys, big up D. One D.
Big up the office.
See, if you don't want an eyelash, though, and you come from Mandeville, yeah. I don't want an eyelash, though, and you search up for the link car. You see me, I say? Yeah. Yeah, one of the best eyelash do maker in Jamaica and nails maker. So watch a video, man.
Kick you, man.
I better ever kick you. That me I tell you, stay a kick. In tall, man, I wanna take care of, man. I wanna win a couple millions, you know, man. Millions and billions of dollars when you own one of them, you know, man. I tell you. Oh, my child, go on. Good. Hold on. Father. Everything active?
The school no man a day, I'm there, I put in some work. You know, say two of me had a baby last night, so.
Much I sell out for?
No, say I not really sell no. I about 12 little one and 7 big one and two just had baby last night and 1 pregnancy.
See, I'm going to sell more, man. Whole park that, you know.
I hold it, man, a 24 baby one them today. And 7 a big one them. And 2 just a baby last night. And 1 more pregnant.
So you have to sell me 2 of them, man.
The man in there, I can't stand sitting there, so.
Yeah, man, look for me, man, throw a couple of pan, you know. Oh.
Man, I can't stand sitting there right as I see him here.
Oh, that is a penny, bill?
No, man, I up way up at the top, me a bill it, man.